Hello, in this video I will show you how to hard reset your device through recovery mode on Nubia Z60S Pro. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now once your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time to enter recovery mode. And you can let go of power button once you see a logo on your screen. And now you have to use volume buttons to move to wipe data and then press power button. Now press again power button on factory reset and then move to reset and press power button. And now you can go back to previous page and then press power button. And now press power button on reboot system. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.